Bill Cannon here from Awesome Engines. This is one of our customers named Jason Jones, the 565 Nitrous motor. Really nice pieces. We're going to put it in his 70 Mustang for him, and we're going to have a ball. But anyway, just did a preliminary pull for Jason so you can see his motor. This thing did 877 horsepower, 6,600 RPM, and I don't even have it close to being tuned. It's a 900 horsepower motor. We're going to put a 500 horsepower plate on it. And it's pretty nice pieces. It's got a set of our house heads on it. These are our new Awesome Engines heads. They're 360 cc's. It's got a profiler. It's got the new 1150 Holley Dominator. It's got a crank trigger, gear drive. It's got nitrous headers on it. But it really is a basic motor, and it's just for nitrous. See ya.